Look at this. It's very beautiful, you know, if you are here with Marcello. Welcome back, my name is Marcello. Straight from Italy. We're gonna make today banana nice cream. And I haven't said ice cream, I said nice cream, which is something nice for you, but it still tastes good. You know, it's a good alternative for ice cream, and it's actually vegan and there's no sugar basically. It's just the sugar from the banana. I decided to do this because I wanted to do it long time, but I didn't have a blender in London. And in here I have a blender, so finally I can make banana ice cream. So I'm gonna show you the ingredients that we need, and then we're gonna go around and I show you how to make it. So the things that we need, I put them somewhere around here. Oh yeah, okay. So we need two really nice bananas. These are, as you can see, they're very ripe. They're super ripe bananas. Okay. Then you're gonna need a little peanut butter. You're gonna need cacao powder, and you're gonna need some vanilla extract. You can use any kind of vanilla, not with crazy ingredients like vanilla Madagascar stuff, like easy stuff, simple stuff that everyone can afford and everyone can make just for fun, or like, why not? You can do music, you can do food, you can do bella il culo del mio fratello. All right, first step is to cut the bananas. Puttana Eva. Okay, sorry, I don't know if to swear, but anyway, it's in Italian, and most of you, like 50% of you, don't understand Italian, so it's fine. I can say puttana Eva. We take a. Oh, it's very strong, eh? Okay, so then you take a little cup and just. I'm gonna show you a bit down. Like, let's do this. Look, technology. And you just chop it up. Just don't think about it. Just chop it up. And what you want to do is just put it in the freezer for like 10 hours. It depends on how strong is your freezer. Once the bananas are gonna be ready and very solid frozen, we're gonna go to the next step, okay? So these are 2 bananas, and the rest of the ingredients I'm gonna tell them as long, because I never tried this recipe. I found this recipe, I think I found it on Instagram somewhere, but I didn't sign the ingredients. I just like remember roughly, and I'm gonna just invent it for you now. Reinvent it, let's say this way. Okay, let's see you in the next step. Okay, my name is Marcello. Straight from Italy. Okay, and thanks to the magic of YouTube, we have the bananas that are already frozen. Just gonna shove them in here, and we're gonna add vanilla. Come on. Oh, okay. So I think we're gonna put. How strong it is. We're gonna put some. Like, put half a teaspoon. Yeah, half a teaspoon. And then we're gonna make cocoa. And I think we're gonna put we're gonna put about. I like cacao a lot, so if you don't like it much, put 1. I'm gonna put 2, but you can put 1 if you don't like it much. And then we're gonna put the last ingredient is gonna be a tablespoon. I am recording. I thought puttana. I thought I wasn't recording. We're gonna put a nice stir it so it's nice, and a tablespoon of peanut butter. I love peanut butter. I don't know. There's a friend of mine, Clara. She doesn't like peanut butter, and I ask her, like, how can you not like peanut butter? It's the best thing in the world. Like, for real. Okay, don't do this, a bit dirty, but my hands are clean, okay? And there's no corona in here. Okay, do this. And that's it. You haven't seen that. That's it. Close it. I'm gonna turn down the volume here in production, so don't worry. Let me see. Oh my god, oh, it's so beautiful, I can't believe it. Okay, after 1 minute, it's gonna be ready. And it looks beautiful, oh my god, look at this. Oh. Ooh, so creamy and delicious. Oh god, I can't wait to eat it. We take this away. Then take a little cup to make it nice and pretty. Oh, look at this. Delicious. Oh my jeez. Oh. Look at this. And then that's it. You can put a little mint leaf to make it look pretty. And this is your chocolate nice cream. How beautiful is this? And it's super healthy. Let's taste it. Let's taste it. Oh my god. It's delicious. It actually put two tablespoons of cocoa like me. It's not too strong. It's amazing. Seriously. Alright, I'm gonna go eat this. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe for more. I'm gonna make a few more recipes. And I'm gonna start to put some music as well on here soon. My name is Marcello. Straight from Italy. Delicious. Really delicious. Another level. For real. This stuff is good. Bye. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. If you like the recipe, let me know with a comment.
Quanto è bello il culo col gelato, ci puoi mettere il cioccolato e